In the middle of the South African savannah, a confident rhino named Jabari will live. Jabari will love to sing and will believe he has the best voice in the land. But unfortunately, that will not be true. Jabari will want to enter the annual talent contest, so he will ask his closest friends if they like his voice. His friends will not want to hurt his feelings, so they will all tell a little white lie. Absolutely, they will all say. Layla will be the only one who will tell Jabari the truth. Your singing is not very good, Layla will say. How honest. You are mean, Jabari will say. He will get very angry and he will walk away. Jabari will decide to ignore Layla. The next day, he will stand in line for hours with all the other animals that will want to enter the talent contest. On the day of the contest, Jabari will walk onto the stage and he will begin to sing. Everyone will get annoyed at his bad singing. They will begin to shout boo. Some animals will even throw fruits at poor Jabari. How sad. Jabari will feel so embarrassed. He will run away as fast as he can. From afar, Layla will see what happened and will follow him. You are right, Layla. Jabari will say, my singing is horrible. It's okay to be horrible at something, Layla will say. Not everyone is good at everything. Look at me, I'm horrible at dancing. Yes, that's true. Your dancing is horrible. Jabari will laugh. That day, Jabari will learn that he can trust Layla to always tell the truth. He will also learn that not everyone is good at everything. So he will decide to focus on one of his talents, his strength. And the following year, he will win the prize for the strongest little rhino in the land. Jabari will still practice his singing in the shower though, and with time, he will get a little better. To watch more stories, just visit our YouTube channel. All stories are in the present, past and future tenses, also available in various languages. How great! Also, members of the Abuti Academy get access to workbooks and much more. Visit our website to find out more about all the language learning materials that we have to offer. www.abutisyllabus.com